Hoi allemaal, welkom terug op mijn kanaal. Here we are going into tutorial number 3 of the palette focus of the Natasha Denona gold palette. Just got back from the gym and I'm like still wired on my pre-workout, having some protein yogurt, plant-based. So what are there? Where's the studio? Because I need to talk. Tutorial number 3. Don't mind my hair. It's a situation. I figured this time around, I kind of want to do something classic, and I really want to use the Python as a liner for this look. And of course, in the last look, I'll show it here. Python is very dominantly that green, which is beautiful. Definitely caters to the green hues of this palette for sure, but I kind of want to do Kava and Sparks and see how that looks. Kava and Sparks. So without further ado, let me go ahead and get my eyes prepped with the Pro Filter eyeshadow primer filter from Fenty Beauty, and then we will get this show on the road. Alright, so the eyes are prepped and I hope they look like twins. I'm hoping. So first and foremost, I think I'm gonna go with Aria, and we are gonna go ahead and use a fluffy brush and really get it floofing out. Floofing. Oh, it's dropped it on me. Oh. Alright, so Aria. Oh god, this is so gorgeous. I do love the fact that this comes with such neutral and semi-warm-ish transition shades, because especially for a palette like this, those transition shades are so important all the time. I'm just gonna blow it out. Blow it out. I think the Tropical palette by obviously Natasha Denona is also another great palette with a bunch of beautiful transition shades. Maybe I should dive back into that one eventually. If summer ever comes, maybe I will. I do have the mini Tropical palette. Don't know why I bought it, because I have the full size. But Aria in the crease. Ooh, that is very beautiful actually. I wonder if you could almost use this as like a bronzer if you are more fair. Maybe. Misschien jij kan doen. Thank you Duolingo for my extension of Dutch. Jij bent een appel, ik ben een appel. Alles. Wie alles bent een appel? Jezus. So Aria. Now I am thinking of going in with Kava, and we're gonna go ahead and do Kava on this outer part. Oh, that is beautiful. Ooh, Kava. This is definitely a lot more of a shadow topper. But just to have that whisper of something there, this is gorgeous. Gorgeous. I believe the tutorial number 1 was where we did use Kava. Oh, this is beautiful. So it's like a whisper of something there. Now I'm gonna do Sparks. Inner. Sparks really gives it that little oomph. And then Sparks for the brow bone. I think Kava and Sparks are definitely going to be a lot of my brow bone highlighters. I'm also very curious to dump into Oro. Oh, that is just succulent of they don't do tutorials like this. But this is where we are at. This is Oro. Oh, just beautiful. It's just all sorts of beautiful. Got something in my eye. And from here, we will go into the liner brush, dip into Python. I freaking got something in my eye. Python. And we are going to create that wing. Drama. Oh, that is just potent. That is a very potent color. Oh, the drama and the drama. Oh, oh, Python is doing something to me. If you guys have this palette, bust it back out, cause I just wanted the drama of a line. The curation of this color story of how everything just really works together. Let me do the other side and we will see where we are at so far, because that whisper of the Araya in the crease is beautiful. Kava, beautiful shade topper for sure. Look at it, it just brings out my brown. I feel special. Let's actually bump up the jam. Look at that. That is amazing. We will be back in a moment. Alright, so this is where we are at. This is beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. This is very, very, not old school Hollywood, but kind of like old school but new school, trending. This green reminds me of when she came out with the Yucca, I think it was the Yucca palette, and then she came out with liners to complement that palette. It reminds me of one of those liners actually. But this is such a beautiful color. This green is, deze groen is echt mooi. Echt mooi hoor, jongens. But sparkles are sparkling, that's for sure. Yeah, so just Araya, Kava, Sparks, and Lime Chrome. So let me go and do the rest of my face, and then we will see the final look in a moment. Oh, this is beautiful. This is really, really beautiful. So, like I said, if you have this palette, pull it out. This is, let's make some moments. Let's make some magic together, y'all. I gotta do this look, gotta take pictures, edit, do some studying, Lausten, Meer leren voor mijn spreken examen in augustus. hopefully by the time you guys see this video, I will officially have passed my speaking, because as of right now, July, what is today, the 18th? 16th, 17th, 17th, 18th, yes, July 17th, I have passed 4 of my 5 Berkering tests. So I just need to pass 1 more, and then I will start the process for my citizenship and Dutch passport. Het is niet makkelijk, moeilijk. Makkelijk, make easy, makkelijk. And moeilijk is more difficult, more difficult. Whatever. Let me just go and finish this up. See you guys in a moment. Here we are with the final look. So, look at this. Beautiful. But due to having hooded eyes, yes, it came up here. So I went ahead and just did this to add a little depth. Freaking hooded eyes. What can you do? You know? Final look. Loving this. This is very... Ooh. Yeah, I really do love this final look. Foundation is 3N in the Forever Skin Glow construction. Bronzer is Charlotte Tilbury in 310. Color corrector medium is Charlotte Tilbury. Set the face with some powder of number medium, light medium 2 from Pat McGrath. Set the highlighter is actually this, and then this is the blush from the, what is this, Daria palette. It's more of a cool toned type of pink, almost like a cool toned baby pink, and I am here for it. Ooh, ooh, so saucy. It is just, I would love it if Natasha Denona, well, as of right now, she just dropped a new mini palette. What was it? The mini rose palette. I would love it if she came out with a mini this, maybe an extension of this with that mini palette. Yeah. Lips are my signature new lip from Charlotte Tilbury. Lip Cheat, Reshape and Resize Lip Liner, and Love Trap Supermodel from Charlotte Tilbury. Opulous Gloss from Pat McGrath. Yeah. Tutorial number 3 with this. As usual, yeah, the sun is like going in and out right now, and I need to get these pictures in. As usual, go to my Instagram page to see the final edits. Like I said, we are going to see how many more tutorials we could get out of this. I don't really know. I would love to get 15 tutorials out of this, but we shall see. I'm just beginning this, and I may get bored here in a little bit with this palette, but I am also in the middle of doing the, pardon me, Mothership Sunlit Seduction. I'm in the middle of doing this also. So you will see that after this tutorial comes out, or after this palette focus. Oh, Jesus, palette focus. But yeah, tutorial number 3. We are definitely getting somewhere. Like, this is just, ooh, old Hollywood vibes. But without further ado, I need to go. Oh, and I use this from Benefit. What is this? Brow Styler from Benefit, and number 6. I just use this side to give a little depth to my brows rather than full on just too much depth, I guess you could say. Oh, it's a hair, that's fine. But I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial so far. Many more looks to come, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.